everybody, it's Joelle, along with
Mason.
Mason is here, and we have an array of things here. We're gonna make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That's what we're gonna do.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Are you good at making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches?
Not really. That's why I need instructions.
Okay. Well, thank goodness, because we have some young chefs here who have given us previous instruction on how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich and a peanut butter and banana sandwich. They are our dear friends, Sydney and Owen. Say hi, Sydney and Owen. Hi. They're over there in the spectators area, and they're going to help us in case if we get stuck, like peanut butter on the roof of your mouth. We have recorded Sydney's voice telling us the instructions. Mason and I are not allowed to do anything unless if one of our chefs told us to do it to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay?
Sounds good.
Here we go. Let's listen. And we'll just go along with it.
Okay.
Here we go.
Take a piece of bread, 2 pieces, and you lay them down. Then you take peanut butter in a butter knife and get the peanut butter and spread it on the bread. Then you take jelly and then you spread it on the bread. Then you smash it together. Then you have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Yes! Did we do it right?
Is this it?
No. That one didn't quite work out the best, did it? No. Do you want to give us another instruction and we'll give it another go? Okay, here we go. How do you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
You take 2 pieces of bread and get a butter knife and peanut butter and smear the peanut butter on the bread.
Oh,
Then you get jelly and smear the jelly on the bread. Then take another piece of bread and put it on.
Put it on. Okay, so from what you saw us do, those are the exact instructions of what we should do.
Yes.
Owen, do you agree?
Yeah.
You think Mason and I can do it? Okay. Let's go.
Touch your toes.
Warm up. Warm up. We have to do the peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Okay.
All right, are you sure this is how we make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yes.
How do you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
You take
Was that right?
no.
Oh.
Well, what are we doing
What do we do?
wrong?
How do I do it?
You have to open the
Oh.
We can do this, Mason.
I think we can. I think I've got the clear directions now.
Thanks to Sydney and Owen, we have new instructions, so let's listen to them
Okay,
now.
here we go.
Okay.
Take 2 pieces of bread, smear peanut butter on the bread.
Okay, but what do we have to do? You mentioned something before. With the
Don't forget to open the lid.
Okay.
So we
What do we do?
just smear it. So according to your instructions, we take 2 pieces of bread, open the jar of peanut butter, and smear the peanut butter and jelly on the bread.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
And then close it.
There's no special instructions of how to do that. That's it.
Well,
Wow.
another instruction
Oh, wait, there was
is
another
you
one.
put the whole bottle between the bread.
Don't put the whole bottle. Got it.
Okay. We did it.
Woohoo!
Did we do it? No.
You don't do it with your hands and you forgot the jelly.
Try number 60.
Yeah, level 4. That's what we're on. Level 4. We've spoken to our chefs, haven't we?
Yes, we have.
We
Quite
have-
extensively.
Yes. If you don't have detailed instructions, you do what we did, right?
Right.
But Sydney has given us detailed instructions. What do we have to do first?
Take the lid off.
Take the lid off. And what?
The glass.
Don't break the glass, but open the peanut butter and jelly. And then what do we do once the peanut butter and jelly is open?
You take your butter knife and smear it on the bread, but don't use your hands. It'll get germs in.
Oh.
That's what we did wrong.
Mason,
That's
what were we
did
thinking?
wrong.
Oh,
no.
okay.
Except you always do the peanut butter first.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's give it a
Let's do it. think this is the one.
I think she's really hoping that we can do this. I think Sydney behind the mask is like, what is wrong with you?
It's called bread soup.
It's swimming in peanut butter and jelly. You know who I do know can do better?
Who?
Sydney and Owen. So since we were terrible at making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, we had the experts roll in to show us exactly how to do it. All right, tell us step by step while you do it.
You take the peanut butter, and always first you do the peanut butter, and then you spread it on only one piece of bread. It takes a bunch of peanut butter to fill some bread. So,
That's interesting. That's interesting.
and one side makes it rough of the knife, the other side makes it smooth.
Oh, okay. So, and then you put the jelly on that side?
No.
This is the way, friends, that Sydney and Owen make their house of peanut butter and jelly. Right? Right, Owen?
Right.
Right. He said right. How do you make peanut butter and jelly? Welcome to the Joelle and Mason show where we experiment with peanut butter and jelly. I think we need to make a peanut butter and banana sandwich.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Have you ever had a peanut butter and banana sandwich?
I don't think I have actually.
You've never had a peanut butter and banana sandwich?
I don't think so.
What?
I like that technique with the jelly.
He's just going at it. That's exactly.
See, that's how I put my jelly on.
He learned. Maybe he learned from you. Maybe you were
I'm
just
rubbing off on
bad habits. Okay, and now what do you do?
Oh, you put them together.
Now, who eats this?
Ooh.
Hey Mason, you want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yes.
The peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Exquisite.
Is it? Did you get some jelly in there?
Mm-hmm. I got lots of jelly.
Mason, I feel like I've learned a lot.
Me too. Well,
Right.
not a whole lot, but a
A
little
little
bit.
bit. I learned what the ingredients that we need to make a good peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I also learned that to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, honestly, you just kind of make it however you want to make it.
And it's a lot of work too.
It is.
You know what I also learned? Sydney and Owen make a great PB&J.
3, 2, 1.
We're going to work together. We're going to be a team.
Uh-oh.
Call us! Oh, woo! These guys are going to help us create a wonderful peanut butter and banana sandwich. All right, so here we go. Tell us what to do, friends.
Take the peanut butter and put it on one piece of bread
Okay.
with
Okay.
a knife. And
Okay, now
There's a
you-
knife in it. Okay. What next?
That's not how you make it.
Well, you gotta
What?
tell him.
No way.
You have to tell him.
No.
So, okay. What?
Okay.
Now what is?
Well,
wait.
tell him. You have to use. You instruct him.
You have to take it out, scoop a piece,
With this.
scoop it, kind of
Scoop
like a
it.
spoon.
Okay.
Okay. Like
Then you
that.
smear it on one piece of bread.
Smear it on one.
Am I doing it right?
You have to flip it over on the peanut butter.
Oh.
Mason, come on.
Smear it all over. Okay.
Until you think it's enough so that it doesn't taste
Is that enough, or should I get more?
a little more.
A little
A
more.
little more. This is not enough.
It's
we
not
need
enough.
a little more. Okay.
And I get more with this, correct? Okay. Okay.
And you do the
is
same
exciting.
thing over again.
Yeah.
The same thing over again. Okay. This is looking good. Wow.
Make sure you get the pieces of bread that are left.
This one?
No?
Oh, like the edges.
The edges
Mason,
of
you
the
gotta
bread.
get the edges.
I get total coverage.
Come on, man.
I'm not good at this.
No, you are.
I'm
He's
not.
getting better though, isn't he?
I'm learning. I'm learning.
From step one, where we had the jar between the bread, I feel like
Oh,
you're
yes.
doing. So how long does he need to do this for? Because he's been spreading it for
What
a
if I
while.
put my name in it? What if,
There you
like,
go.
look, there's an initial
An
M.
M for Mason. Okay, now
Now
what?
you cut up the bananas, but
With this, or she'll do that.
yeah.
Carter,
No? You
What
need
do
to
what-
hold it.
hold it and then chop it.
No.
Huh? Why is
What
it?
do I? What is it?
Do we need a sharper knife?
No.
What do I
What's
need
wrong
to
with
do?
it? How do we?
Oh, sure. So
Oh, you're gonna show me.
All right. Oh.
Okay, but I have a question. Do I put this whole thing on there?
I need a really sharp knife.
But wait, do we cut it with this
Yeah.
on it? Cut it with the peeler?
Yeah, if you want to, then you take the peel off.
And then it's already cut inside?
Mm-hmm.
Genius. So what if I don't have a sharper knife? What do I do then?
Then you get a sharper knife.
But if I don't have a sharper knife, what do I do then?
Then you have to.
Is there a way? Is there a way inside of this?
Can we
What is
break
this
in?
thing? What is this thing? What-
It's a banana, and you peel it.
Ow!
And you can break
Oh.
Look. I just do it like,
Oh.
and then do I put it on there?
it. Yes, it helps the peanut butter helps it stick.
You eat the end piece?
Huh?
Oh.
Yeah. You don't eat the end piece of the
Well, I
banana?
cut out the little end piece part.
There's nothing wrong with the end piece,
Well,
though.
sometimes there is.
There's not. But look at it now.
Do you guys agree with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, she's on my side.
Okay.
You can be on your side. Because listen, it's just a banana. Banana and peanut butter is one of Elvis's favorite foods, right? Uh-huh. Okay, so what do I do now? Is that enough?
Mm-mm.
If you want to smear this side with peanut butter, you can if you want it extra flavorful.
Do you want?
Oh, see, I always like extra flavorful.
Okay.
So then you
So
should
should
put
I
that on there.
do the same technique as the other one?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. I'm learning. See,
See?
I'm learning.
And there's. Thank you to Sydney and Owen for your.
Enough.
Oh, you think that's enough? Okay. I was
Okay.
doing the Mason method of just putting a bunch on there. Why
It's
not?
more flavorful that
It
way.
is more flavorful that way. Do we put banana on that side too?
If you want to.
For more flavor.
Flavor.
Yes.
Let
I
me
got
get
bananas.
let me get this on there first.
It helps it stick. Don't forget that.
Oh, the peanut butter helps the banana stick.
Yes.
Okay. I can dig it.
You make me hungry.
Am I making you hungry?
Because they look so good,
Oh,
right?
ready?
Wait.
Oh, get that corner,
Gotta get the
sir.
corner, gotta get the.
Initial.
Okay, and then you do.
M for Mason. All right, here's the bananas. I like to eat.
Apples and bananas.
Now you flop them together.
Flop
it.
them together, got it.
Now.
Oh no, Mason!
No!
Do you mean this way?
Yeah.
Oh, she's
Which way?
she's like, I'm
Okay.
done with you guys.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Okay, now what?
Now you eat it.
Now you eat it.
But you can't cut it in half.
We can't cut it in half. Why not?
You can cut it in half if you want to, if you want it smaller.
Oh. Well,
Am I too big for this sandwich? Is that what
Mason
you're saying?
can't have the whole thing. I want some. I'm cutting it. Do you want to taste some?
Yeah.
Look, this is art. Art. They're tasting. We're at a distance. Tell me your thoughts.
Good.
Good. Okay, Mason, you want to. He's in the corner. Just-
delicious.
Thank you to the Lyric Theater for allowing us to film this here today. So wonderful. Thank you all for joining us on our mission to learn how to make a proper peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Are you still chewing?
I'm still chewing. I'm sorry.
Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
I did too.
My tummy is full now. I learned a lot
You have
today.
leftovers.
We do have leftovers.
Sydney, Owen, wave at us. Thank you, Sydney and Owen.